Hello everyone, I'm Rose from Korean class. Today we're gonna study just 2 Korean letter words. And first one, so hit, H plus A, so 미음 is M and A is A. So this is hama. Hama is hippo. Hama, hippo. And I'm gonna say everything. And here is same letter, ha. And here is same letter, ma. So consonant here is H and plus basic vowels a, ha, hya, ho, hyo. So just that letters also start H. Ha, hya, ho, hyo, ho, hyo, hu, hyu, hu, he. Right? And consonant 미음 is it start M and plus A basic vowels and plus M start M. So 마, 냐, 뭐, 며, 모, 묘, 무, 뮤, 무, me. And next one, yeah. Do you know where the hama live? So they live in around the water. So also they live in lake. Lake is Korean. It's hyet. So same. Hyet plus o. Here is ho. So this is ho. 시옷 plus 우. So lake in Korean is 호수. 호수. Okay. So hippo live in lake. So that Korean is 하마는 호수에 삽니다. I'm gonna write. So 하마는 호수에 살아요. 삽니다. Same words. That means hippo live in lake. 하마 is hippo. 호수 is lake. 살아요 means live. That means live. Okay. Next one. Here plus you. So this is hue. Oh, hue. Same letter, hue. And jiet, J plus E is E. So this is hugie. Hugie is tissue. Hugie, and I told that letters. And next one, jiet is J plus A, 자, J, 자, 자, 저, 저, 조, 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 주, 주, 즈, 지. Okay? So here is 지. And also, but actually in another country that tissue saying toilet paper, right? Toilet paper. Actually, we don't say in Korean toilet paper. Is we saying toilet paper is 화장지. 화장지. So toilet paper in Korean is 화장지. And toilet, just toilet, is 화장실. Okay. So that's all from me today. Thank you for watching my video. And if you like it, don't forget to subscribe and like. See you later, guys. 나중에 봐요. 뿅.